In a rapidly evolving digital world, artificial intelligence and machine learning are not just technologies, they are the gateways to our future. Hello, I'm Axel Sirota, the heart and mind behind Data Trainers. With a passion deeply rooted in AI and a master's in mathematics focused on machine learning, I've established a platform where excellence in education meets the transformative power of technology. At Data Trainers, our core commitment is to excellence. We offer education that's rich in theory and abundant in practical applications, designed for every learner's success. We believe in making AI and ML accessible. Whether you're an individual or a business, regardless of size, our courses are crafted to bridge the gap between you and the world of AI expertise. Innovation is at the core of what we do. We constantly evolve our teaching methods and course materials, staying ahead of industry trends to provide you with the most current and impactful learning experience. But our training doesn't just end with the course. It echoes in the impact it has on careers and businesses. We strive to make a measurable difference in every learner's professional journey. My passion for AI is the driving force behind Data Trainers. It's not just about teaching AI, it's about fostering a community where learners turn into leaders, innovators, and change makers. Joining us is a seamless experience. Our user-friendly platform allows you to explore and enroll in our courses easily, beginning your journey in AI with just a few clicks. Are you ready to explore the power of AI and transform your potential into reality? I am Axel, and I invite you to be a part of our mission at Data Trainers, where education, accessibility, innovation, impact, and passion for AI come together. Join us, and let's shape the future together.